Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the January Lashy Box. So Lashy Box is a monthly subscription. Of course, it's got lashes in it. You get 3 to 5 premium pairs of lashes, and these are really great qualities lashes anymore. To be honest, Lashy Box lashes are about the only ones I wear. I've got all kinds of lashes, but I just choose theirs. It just seems like they fit better. They go on very easy, and I just don't have no problems. You just snip them for your size, and you glue them on. And it's like you don't even feel that they are on. But it is, I think, $12.99 a month, and I think you have to pay shipping and handling. I will put the information down below in the description box for anybody that wants to know, and I will put my link down below in case you would like to try it out for yourself. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. Just everybody's got a referral code to refer your friends. But you get this little box, and I've got like the top box where you get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes, and you get some makeup items. And I'm really excited. So this is my first box of the year for any of my subscriptions. It is like today's the 7th, and I finally got one first box, so really happy. Really hope it's like really good. It's not very big, but you do get a lot in here. And I mean, their lashes, I mean, I just love the way their bands are made and everything. They do work with other lash companies. They normally, you get about 2 pairs of theirs and 2 pairs from another company, but I am just really crazy about their lashes. Okay, so the first thing I see is a tool, and it is by Lashy, if I can get it out, times Jacky Luvv, and it is like a pinkish purple to help you put your lashes on. So right here it is. Now, I've got all kinds of tools to put my lashes on. Most of the time, especially with the bigger ones, I like just putting them on with my hands. And either take tweezers, normally my hands, my fingers, I'll just take and press down to get it right where I want it. But now these seems like they would work really good. I've got some gray ones that are plastic. They're alright. I've got them like this. And I don't know, I've got something like this, but it's a like a from my tweezer set, that ones that curves. My black ones I use all the time to put if I'm going to use anything. I'll use I've got a pair like this that curves. I don't know where I put them. Now I use them, so I think this will be about the same concept, and then you can really just get in there and squeeze or press whatever you want. So I like that, and it's pretty heavy duty. Okay. So our next thing is lashes, and these are the Lashy Box lashes. This is the 3D silk lashes, and this one is called Cake. Let me take it out to stop the glare. And I really like these. They're really fluffy. I like the angle. So I like these. Okay, so our next pair is by Lashy Box 2. And they're 3D silk lashes too. And these are sprinkles. I like these too. I like big lashes. Most of the time I'm wearing big lashes. Let me take these out. So these are huge, but I like the way they're made. So far, so good. I got 3 items, and I like all 3. Okay, so then we got a pair of Jacky. Well, I don't throw them. We got a pair of Jcky Luvvs, and they are cruelty free plus vegan. These are Flux Mink lashes, and these are Maddie 2.0. Let's take them out and look at them. I really like the boxes too. I think that's really pretty. The other ones I got wasn't, I think they was like from Jcky Luvv, was like in a white box. So these are right here. I really like these. These are about one size all over. I do like them. You know, I do like Jacky Luvr's lashes. They're really good. Then there's another pair from Jacky Luvv. And these are Capricorn. And they're vegan plus cruelty free too. She makes some really good lashes. So they're right here. I like these. I'd probably wear these a lot. I just like the way they're made. Okay. I'm dropping everything. Then, of course, we got a bottle of eyelash glue. Lashy Box does make their own lash glue. They've had it in black. They sometimes send it in black, sometimes white. It's really good glue. I do like it. And our last item in the box is by Cas Cosmetics. It's a 4-color eyeshadow, and it's Crescent Moon. Really cute. Pretty much the same. Then it's got the cover. Then you got a little mirror. And you got 4 eyeshadows. I just hit this one. So, these, I love that already. So, they're all got a shimmer to them. So, I would wear these, but with something else. They look like they're going to be very pigment. You know, I really thought that was going to be brighter. Because it looks like it's going to be bluer. But I really like that. Okay. So, this one's New Moon, Zenith, Opella, and Calispo. Now, I just really thought this blue was going to be different, but you know, you swatch them, they don't always show up the same. Sometimes once you get your primer and everything on, it looks different. But I am going to try this out tomorrow because that is beautiful. And they're really creamy. They feel really good, and they're getting all over me. So you get a lot when you barely just press. And that is it. So I'm really happy with what I got. I thought we was going to get 2 makeup items, but we got the tool, so that counts. So, because we always get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes, and normally 2 makeup items, but we got the tool, so that's 2 things, and then 4 pairs of lashes. To me, I think the lashes itself is worth what you're paying for the box, because, you know, to get a good pair of lashes, you're going to pay up there, and these are always good lashes. They make some incredible lashes. I wear them almost every day of my life, so, because anymore, I don't know, I just wear lashes. Sometimes I don't even, just on the bottom, I'll wear mascara, and just, maybe blend it in a little bit, but I don't wear that much mascara anymore. And I've probably got 100 tubes. I've just not been filling mascara, and it's easier to get off, too. When you go wash your face, but I don't know, sometimes right now, my allergies, and I've got this coat and stuff, and it's just easier to put lashes on, and because my eyes start watering and mascara goes to running, unless yesterday my eyes started watering and I was gone all day, didn't take nothing extra with me, if my makeup messed up, but my eyes watered so bad that my eyeshadow was gone. My lashes was popping up. It was horrible. But it's where I got this cold right now going on, and it's just a big sinus thing. But I am going to leave the link down below if you try Lashy Box for yourself. They do have a little store you can buy extra stuff. They got a lash book. I don't have it. Probably should get one. Just to put my lashes in. But they're I really, really like their lashes. They're just really great quality, and I just like the way the band is made. Like I said, you can't even feel it. You're wearing them. And they probably are great for beginners too, because they're very comfortable and you don't really like have a problem with them. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. It will notify you when I upload, which is 3 times a week. It's Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Sometimes I do bonus videos, like when my subscription boxes are coming in. But I guess this is it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.